narinig po ninyo si President Mario. Napakaganda po na sinabi niya. Yung malasakit kay Kapampangan. Malasakit. Sabi nga kanina nung nandoon kami sa blessing ng branch nila dito sa Angeles, si Father Manny, he talked about a noun blessing, sabi niya. You should not use it as a verb, but as a noun. To give blessing to your kapwa, to your fellow man. Ganon pala kayo, no? Because really, in whatever you do, it is the good service, medical services sa atin. And, well, congratulations for that, Mr. President. What more can you say about the many successes?
Well, the important thing kasi is to give service to the people where they are and when they need it. So, since we wanted to make sure that may nationwide coverage kami, we wanted to be sure that we are in the presence in Cebu, in Bacolod, in Iloilo, Davao, Jensan, Cagayan, Zamboanga, Basilan, Jolo, Ilocos, wherever they are, we should be there. And the important thing is the presence of our office, which we blessed here in Pampanga, is a satellite office to service. Yun talagang ginagawa namin. We form offices nationwide to service. Para na naman, yung sistema na kung may reimbursement ka, kunyari, kailangan ipapadala mo pa sa Manila kasi dito pag gagawin yung reimbursement. Ang process is 3 months to 6 months bago ba kompletong documentation, yung cheque. Ngayon sa amin, ang gusto namin mangyari, kung nandyan ka sa Cebu, may kailangan ka pa reimburse. Pupunta ka lang sa Cebu office namin, sila nang magre-reimburse. Mas madali para sa atin mga members.
Ang gusto po sabihin ni Mr. President dito ang mga kasama niya po sa IntelliCare are committed people. They are committed to their responsibilities. Kausap ko nga kanina sila Edmond at saka si Butse. Kung minsan nasa Basilan sila Of all places, sa Basilan. It means that kung nakakapunta sila sa Basilan to serve their members, they can easily go to Cebu, they can easily go to Davao, and any other points in the Philippines. But the bottom line here is the commitment of the employees, yes, mga officers of IntelliCare in serving their members.
But Doc, let me qualify it also. We also meet with our doctors na in-affiliate namin, yung mga doctors natin sa Jensan, sa Bacolod, o sa Isabela. We meet with the doctors and we explain to them that yung vision natin, tutulungan yung kapwa natin. Naghihirap kasi, hindi naman kaya ng PhilHealth sagutin lahat So yung mga doctors natin na nagjo-join din sa IntelliCare, I mean, they also are very concerned na kung pwede naman, nga mabigay yung benepisyo na hindi naman i-abuse. Kasi yun lang tayo pagpaunlad sa lahat, di ba?
Yun po, ang kailangan dialogue Di ba? Ang dialogue napaka-importante po. Ang gusto sabihin ni Mr. President, yung mga tauhan nila, they go out of their way to talk to doctors. I'm sure they also talk to your patient, to your members.
Yes.
And they visit your members when they are in the hospital.
Yes. We want to do that because we want to be sure that we are really there to help them. Kasi, Doc, pag may pumasok sa ospital, alam naman natin, nagpapanik yan. O may mga fears yan. Kung may mga representative tayo na nandoon, sinasabi sa kanila, huwag na mag-alala, may card ka, at saka pag lumabas ka sa ospital, kami na mag-settle ng bills mo. Malaki na yung problema yung hinaharap niya. Kunin na natin yung ibang mga what we call material needs. Sagutin na namin yan, so huwag ka na mag-problema doon.
Ang importante po services. Kamukha nun, nakahiga ka sa ospital. Pagkatapos dumasin si Nel, yung patient relation officer mo. Pagdating doon ang dami na kailangan mong itanong
Yes.
Kailangan mong itanong kapag nakita si Nel na rin, uy, salamat, nandito ka. Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito?
Correct.
And if you can give all the answers on the positive side, naku, sarap ng tulog na nila noon.
Pero Doc, madami kaming heroes sa mga PROs tawag namin, mga public relation officers namin. Kasi ito mga PROs namin, may emergency alas 11 ng gabi, alauna ng umaga, and nandoon yan may mga story pa nga yung dala yung isang tao doon sa emergency, hindi na na-resuscitate, namatay yung tao. Naiwan yung PRO namin doon, nag-antay hanggang dumating yung pamilya. Kasi tumawag yung asawa na huwag iwanan yung kanyang asawa sa emergency ng mag-isa. So, mga ganong klaseng storya, yung ginagawa namin, pinapaikot namin sa buong kumpanya yon para we tell our people that these are the acts of heroism that we expect of everyone in IntelliCare to do for their kapwa.
Also, when we are having lunch Shanghai restaurant, you mentioned about, well, in some companies, we even give them 24 hours medical services. Kung kailangan.
In what context, Doc?
You mentioned that in one of the companies dito sa Clark, that you can give us...
yung mga, we give mga, kasi we give the assistance in terms, for example, for many of these companies, not only here in Clark, but even in Mindanao, where there's really a need. We provide, for example, assistance in, let's say, vaccination ng flu vaccine. Kunyari, we give assistance right away. We send our teams to help in the flu vaccination para ma-avoid natin yung mas malaking gastos nila. Also, in the sense that when we talk about 24 hours, we talk about response time.
Kamukha nung kay Butch na they call him several times
in one night.
In one night. 7 times ata.
Hindi na makatulog
Hindi na makatulog.
Pero wala namang problema kay Dr. Roxon yan. Kwan yan eh. Malakas yan. Malakas yung medical director namin. Wala makalaban dyan sa kanya dyan.
Oo, yun lang naman ang kailangan. When they are called, they are there to serve.
But important sa amin kasi, Doc, napag-usapan din namin sa kumpanya eh. Lahat ng mga tao namin nangagaling din. Na, let's say, pag may tumawag, kailangan sagutin natin yung telepono. Hindi mo paabutin 10 rings, 12 na rings bago mo sagutin. Kailangan 3, 4, 5 ring masagot na natin. Pag may request, pwede mo sagutin in 15 minutes, kung pwede, kung balikan mo siya in 30 minutes, sabihin mo. Pero huwag natin iwanan yung mga request ng mga tao, yung mga tanong ng mga tao. Mapababayaan 1 araw, 2 linggo. Ayaw ng whole organization yan. Gusto natin to treat yung kapwa natin as we would treat our own family members.
Ilan na yung mga members ninyo all over the Philippines?
We have breached more than the 400,000 mark already.
400,000. What about here in Angeles and in Clark?
We're growing here very rapidly, and we have already major companies in with us. We are already maybe about 20,000 in the area.
Now, talking about nationwide, do you have a hotline that they can call anytime, 36 hours a day?
That's the beauty of our 24/7. We have a call center. We are manned by about 45 members there. 24 hours, 7 days a week yan, matawagan yan, pwede tanungin kung pwede ba ito, magamit bang card ito, anong aking benefit, nandyan yan, available yan.
Wow. Ngayon, Mr. President, what is the role of Kia, your branch manager here in Angeles, as far as the Angeles branch is concerned?
All right. What we wanted to do was to the distance between request from Clark to head office. So sometimes they have requests for either billing, either collection, either specific requests for things to be done or to assist members who might be in need or to assist members who are going to Manila. What we wanted to do was close that gap. Kung may clinic, may office na kami dito, satellite office, that gap is shortened. And the response time to our market, to our members in Pampanga, all the way to Subic, could now be shortened ang response time namin. What we want to do is immediate response to people. Mga Pilipino, easy man lang to please to eh. Give them a sense man lang of value as who they are. Kasi most of the time, yung pagka-service natin with each other, parang pababayaan na natin sometimes eh. Sinasabi, naintindihan naman yun, pagbayaan na lang natin muna. Hindi naman pwede yun, di ba?
Oo. Okay. So, napakahusay po ang pinag-usapan natin ngayon. Sana kayong lahat, yung nakikinig, malaman ninyo kung ano itong mga HMOs nito, ano itong mga health insurances na ito, how they work hard in order to serve their members. Kayo siguro, mga IntelliCare members dito once you were served by, andito di ba si Nel dito sa Angeles,
Angeles.
Oo, siguro nakita ninyo si Nel dito. And they're doing so much in order to serve you. Now, what is going to be next as far as your medical services dito sa Clark and Angeles?
the general situation kasi of our country is this. About 25 years ago, 20 years ago, yung average age ng population natin noon, mga 18 years old. After a decade, nag-average na natin, mga 22 na. After 10 years, naging 25. Ibig sabihin lang na ang population natin ay tumatanda. And as our population ages, the need for healthcare becomes more and more paramount. Hindi ba, Doc, may sinasabi ka, may dalawang bagong institutions na papatayo dito?
Pamuseno yung mga tanks.
Yes, may mga bagong hospitals. Because there's really now a growing need because of an aging population. So, nakikita din namin yan. Ang gusto namin sana, makakontribute din kami sa effort of providing support services. Kasi, ang trabaho ng HMO, hindi lang mag-serve. One important yan. But we also have to help in cost containment. Kailangan makontrol natin yung cost para matulungan natin yung mga mahirap dyan who otherwise could not afford to give them the affordability to be given healthcare.